Hey guys, welcome back to Grayson's YouTube channel. It's Mommy and Grayson back, and we've got another inflatable to review for you guys today. Grayson, where did we find this inflatable?
At home.
Yes, we found this at the At Home store. It was marked down. It's an old Easter inflatable. It's a Bluey. I'm gonna bring it here so we can see.
And that says At Home right here.
Yes, it sure does. It says At Home. So here it is up close, guys. It was $34.99, but they had all their leftover Easter stuff marked down 50% off, and this was the last one we saw, wasn't it, Grayson?
Yeah, but there was remember there was another one too, remember?
Yeah, not like this though, right?
Right, it was like a...
It was a blow up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there was a blow
No,
up.
there was like three, remember the other one?
There was another Bluey one?
No!
Oh.
Remember the other one?
Like an arch or something?
No, like, remember the one that we saw? Remember the one that we saw on the shelf?
A Bluey one?
No.
No, I don't know what you're talking about, son.
Mom, you keep saying that.
Well, why don't you focus on the Bluey one and show us that today?
Okay.
We can figure that out later. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So, Grayson, what did we say? It was 4 foot tall?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I think this one's
Remember?
4 foot tall. Yep.
Remember? It's right here.
Yep, there it is right there. 4 foot. And he's got little bunny ears.
Let's open it.
Okay, go ahead and open her up. We've got our drop cord set up. Oh, good shot, Grayson.
Thank you. I just noticed if I try to throw that one wouldn't be.
I think the wind got that one. The wind held that one back, didn't it?
No, I think it's because it's like made out of like paper.
Oh, okay.
Remember?
Yeah.
Paper doesn't like throw like regularly.
Oh.
There she is, guys.
There she is.
I already see one of her eyes.
Yep, I see one of her eyes, and I see the ears, the bunny ears. Yep. So we are very excited to add this to our Easter collection. Right now, I think all we have are Easter bunnies, so now we have a Bluey to add to the collection. All right, here she comes. Hey, Bluey.
I'll stand there.
Do you love her, Grayson?
Yeah.
Is she everything you thought she was going to be?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Haley's size.
Huh?
She's probably Haley's size.
Yeah, she's probably more Haley's size. That's true.
Like I need a little taller.
Yeah, you are definitely taller than her.
I'm 5 foot, I think.
Fix her feet.
Oh.
You're kind of tucked in there. You have to pull that out.
Go off this.
Okay.
Rockin' my baby in the treetop when the wind blows.
Is that your baby? You're a good daddy, Grayson. Oh.
Will fall and down will come baby cradle and all.
You still didn't fix her feet. Pull her little foot out. The one on this side looks like it's folded up. There you go. All right, guys. So there's our 4 foot Bluey inflatable for Easter. What do you guys think? Grayson, what do you think about her? Uh-oh, Haley just spotted us. She's holding up her bowl, showing me that she ate all her noodles. She just ate some noodles when we got home from school.
Yeah, I ate.
She's probably ready for something else, isn't she, Grayson?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Grayson, what else do you want to say about her?
I'll give you a hint. What's on her head?
What's on her head?
Bunny ears.
Bunny ears! Woohoo! Hey, Haley.
Hey, and Will's, where's her tail?
Where's her tail?
Behind her.
There it
Good job.
is.
Good job, everyone.
All right.
And the last question.
Yeah.
Where is her nose?
Oh, good job, Haley. Y'all are so smart.
Where is the packet?
The what?
Remember the white packet that you take out of it?
Oh, yeah. In the fire pit.
Yeah, you got it right. I'll take that out for y'all to see.
Don't take it out. Did you zip it up in there?
No, it's in here. Here they are. You got it right, everyone. If you said
Oh, is that the weight? I think that's the weight, honey. That doesn't come out. That's just to keep it weighted down.
if you said your weight, you're correct.
All right, guys. Grayson, what do you want to ask everybody to do?
Subscribe to this channel and like this video.
Yep. Hold Bluey up so we can see her again. Thanks for watching, guys. We've got some more stuff coming up for you. So stay tuned. We'll see you next time. Bye, Haley.
Bye.
What is it?
Scroll back if you haven't seen my dirt bike video.
Yes, Haley did a review of her dirt bike. She said scroll back and watch that if you haven't watched that yet. Thank you, Haley. Maybe they'll do that. All right, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye, Grayson.
Bye.